this video, we are going to discuss about how to close the fiscal year in Odoo 30. A fiscal year is a period that an organization utilizes for bookkeeping purpose and for preparing the budget summaries. So, before going ahead to close a fiscal year, there are few steps that one should typically take to ensure that your accounting is correct, up to date and accurate. So make sure that you have fully reconciled your bank account up to year end and confirm that your ending book balance agree with your bank statement balance. Also verify that all the customer invoices has been entered and approved. Confirm that you have entered and agreed all the vendor bills and validated all the expenses. And moreover, to configure the fiscal year, go to the accounting module. So under accounting, go to configuration, settings, and when you open the settings, you can search for fiscal year from here. So here you can see that by default the fiscal year, that is the last day, is given as December 31st. So generally the fiscal year starts with the 1st of January and end of 31st of December, as they are the most common opening and closing dates, and however one can also change the date depending upon the company. And suppose if you want to define a fiscal year which is more or less than a year, you can use this option or you can enable this option, and from here you can create a new fiscal year. So from here you can create a new fiscal year. Here you can provide the name of the fiscal year. So suppose if I am giving the fiscal year is name as fiscal year 2019. Here you can provide the start date. So if I am providing the start date as January 1st and end date as December 31st. And here you can also mention the company. So in this way also you can set the fiscal year. Now let's save this. And now let's go to the overview of our apps. From there, go to settings. Under settings, select the users from users and companies. So here you can see the user Michelle admin. You can select this user, click this edit option, and when you come down you can see an option under accounting. You have an option where there are different level of access for our user, that is billing, accountant and advisor. So the most important thing that must be remembered is that the advisor has the most rights in Odoo accounting. So make sure that your accounting is given to the advisor. Now let's save this. So basically in Odoo, we don't have an option to close our fiscal year. Instead of that, we have an option to provide the log dates for the fiscal year. So under accounting, you can see here an option called as log date. So when you open this, you have certain fields, that is log date for non-advisors, log date for all users, and tax log date. So basically in log date for non-advisors, here only the users with the advisor role can edit the account with prior to and inclusive of this date, means the date that you provide over here. Similarly, you can also provide the log date for all the users, that is no users including the advisors can edit the account prior to or inclusive of this date, the date that you provide over here. And here under this tax log date, no users can edit the journal entries related to the tax prior to the or inclusive of the date that you provide here. So one can provide the log dates for your fiscal year. So basically this log date for non-advisor is the last date of the fiscal year that we are closing, and in log dates for non-advisor, by using this way only users with advisor can still work on the entry, so that no one can change the entries. So in Odoo, it generates automatically the reports in real time, and there is no need to generate the reports manually, nor to worry about the opening of the new fiscal year. So in this way, one can provide the log date for their fiscal year.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to info@cybrosys.com.